those, or do you want me to? I can.
Okay.
Will you come over here though? Hi. Stop it. He's trying to eat everything.
Yeah.
This looks like kind of.
I know. I'm not sure why his
There's
hairs.
bumps right, I feel like on his skin. There's like an actual something.
How does his booty look where he's rubbing?
Well, he's got something weird with his hair on this side.
Isn't that
The
colic
rain
or
rot. I was
something
thinking this could
underneath
be rain rot here, just a little patch. But
I'm not
over
worried about
here, his hair is like it's singed almost, you know?
Like up here, like that's a real bump. If you look across right there.
Yeah. Yeah, like he's been rubbing it on something. He's been like on a tree.
But
or
only
I
place
never
I noticed his
saw-
butt is like up a little. Oh, he has another bump right there.
Well, that's his fat pustule.
Yeah, that's what he's got fat.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Hi,
But I do not.
sweetheart.
I do not see where he's been rubbing back.
Hi, you're so sweet.
It was one of his flanks.
Right, I never
there.
saw it.
Yeah, it's not in bad shape. Probably this, because it's the hair is kind of rough.
Yeah.
Right
Good
there.
girl.
So maybe he's been
Good
doing the same
girl.
up
Yeah.
here. I think you're okay, Non.
Good
Yeah.
girl.
The main thing is that you get rid of any like stuck sticks and big clots of mud for the saddle. He's not gonna look pretty. He's not gonna be. As Holly says, we're not in a
Wanda.
parade or anything.
I like brushing
Hi,
his hair like
Wanda.
it's shiny.
Hi, Wanda
All right.
girl.
Well, we got
Sweetheart.
move on to the next step.
Wanda. Okay. Hi.
I am the master
Okay.
mover.
He's got like
Always the last one to
dandruff or dust or something all up in his mane.
Yeah, that's some dandruff probably.
Uh-oh.
We'll
That's
do
some
both.
dandruff, baby. You are beautiful.
Their tails in the way.
Tell Courtney that her horse is getting a makeover. Her spa day.
He's getting his hair did.
Pretty boy.
Good boy. Hi.
Okay.
Good
Now I'm
boy.
gonna work on his feet.
Okay.
Good
Where's the
Oh,
pin?
I've got the pit.
I've got one. Holly's.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi.
You're doing a good job, Zora. Yeah, thank you. Come here. You don't like when I steal your eye boogers? They're mine.
Wanda
You guys have
girl.
the same one every time?
Oh, it doesn't necessarily matter. I usually go front, back, front, back.
She loves you, Maggie. She loves you. Hi, good puppy. Hi, lady. That's a kitty cat. Ah, my doggo. Ah. Oh, doggy. Look at the kitty. Ow. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. She loves you.